Janmashtami, the birthday celebration of Lord Krishna, is being observed and celebrated with religious fervour and gaiety across the world. Temples across the country are decked up as devotees are flocking to well-decorated temples to celebrate the festival of joy. It is believed that Lord Krishna, the 8th incarnation of Lord Vishnu, was born on the 8th day of the dark fortnight in the month of Bhadrapada as per the Hindu calendar. The day holds deep spiritual significance for the devotees world over. The festival is not just a time for celebration, but also for reflection and remembering Lord Krishna's timeless teachings. Devotees celebrated by chanting Krishna's name, singing devotional songs, and reading his teachings in the holy Bhagavad Gita. Janmashtami is a reminder of Lord Krishna's teachings, emphasizing the importance of righteousness, duty, love, and devotion in one's life, and the victory of good over evil. President of India, Draupadi Murmu, has extended greetings and best wishes to all citizens living in the country and abroad on the auspicious occasion of Janmashtami. The President in a message said, and I quote, "The festival of joy inspires us to dedicate ourselves to the divine ideals of Bhagwan Shri Krishna. On this occasion, let us imbibe the teachings of Bhagwan Shri Krishna and resolve to work for progress and prosperity of the country," and I unquote. The Chief Minister of North Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, laid the foundation stone for various projects of development in Mathura ahead of Janmashtami festival. This festival is celebrated in a grand way in Mathura and Vrindavan, where Lord Krishna spent his youth and childhood. Dr. Suyash Sharma is joining us from Mathura. Suyash, very quickly, get us more on the celebrations there. I see the temple behind you all decked up, and people are already thronging the temple early in the morning. Get us more on how is the day, how is Janmashtami there celebrated, what do people do on this special day?
Today is the Krishna Janmashtami, and you can see behind me we are at the Krishna Janmabhoomi in Mathura. The atmosphere here is vibrant, filled with the devotion and joy in every direction. You can see the entire temple complex is beautifully decorated with light, flowers, colors, banners, reflecting the festive spirit of the occasion. You can see the children are enjoying here like anything to do the clap and chanting the Radhe Krishna, Radhe Krishna. Devotees from all over I can say that all over the country have gathered here to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. I'm just saying, you can see the air is filled with the sound of bhajan, chant, and the ringing of bells, creating a deeply spiritual environment. And people are seen offering, you can see the queue. They don't have any kind of feeling the problem that we are in the queue. They are enjoying the queue. And now today in the festival inside.
Yes, please continue. Dr. Suyash Sharma is there with us from Mathura, and she's showing us visuals of the temple there, which is being thronged by people in the morning, and she's showing us how it is being decked up and how people celebrate there. Suyash, also, let us know, because in the visuals I see a lot of young people are also there. In fact, people from all walks of life, all age groups are present at the temple. But then what do you make of the young people, the youth who have come there? How do they relate to the teachings of Lord Krishna in today's times? Suyash, if I'm audible to you, get us more on how is the day celebrated there in Mathura, and also how do young people, the youth, how do they relate to the teachings of Lord Krishna in today's times? All right, I think we've lost connection there with Suyash, who was there joining us from Mathura, telling us more about the celebrations and how the temples have been decked up there. In the visuals also, we show you how beautifully the town, the city has been decked up on the birthday of Lord Krishna. And this is a very auspicious day that is celebrated with full fervour and gaiety. We also had wishes coming in from the President, who wished the countrymen on the occasion of Janmashtami, and we also had our correspondent Dr. Suyash Sharma who joined us from Mathura, and she talked about the devotion of the people who gathered at the temples to pay tributes and obeisance, and also pray at the temple.